Good morning, everyone. It's Ugadi today. So, first of all, a very happy Ugadi to you all. I'm showing you how to make Ugadi Pachadi. There are 6 flavors in the Ugadi Pachadi. There is sweet, that's jaggery. There is mango, that is sour. There is salt, is salty. The chili powder is spicy. Then the tamarind is tangy, and the neem blossoms are really very bitter. So all of these combined, I'm going to make the pachadi here. I have the mango diced, the jaggery is grated, and the banana pieces. What I'm going to do is just mix the tamarind pulp into it. It's best if you mix it with hand because it mixes really very well. I'm going to add the salt, a pinch of chili powder. I'm going to add this roasted gram, which is really good actually. I'm going to mix all this. You can mix it with a spoon, but I think when you're blending the flavors of life, the 6 tastes denote the flavors of life, like all these elements are incorporated in our lives. So they blend well with the fingers, not with a metal spoon. To top it is the margosa or neem flowers, and it's done. Our Ugadi Pachadi is ready. May you have a wonderful year ahead and all the flavors in your life